Okay, so listen, we have some processes today and all those processes are based on the ideal gas. Okay, and the ideal gas equation is this. Okay, pressure into volume is number of moles into the R into the temperature. Okay? Now there is something called a thermodynamic variable. Write this thermodynamic variable. Okay, what is a thermodynamic variable? Basically P, V or T, anything which tells you about the state of the gas at that point of time. What is the pressure, what is the volume, what is the temperature? It's a thermodynamic variable. Okay, and what is the thermodynamic state? Thermodynamic state is a particular set of condition or a particular value of these variables, particular set of values of variables. What does this mean is, suppose you have n is equal to 1, R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, and suppose temperature is 300 Kelvin. Okay, then and volume is 1 liter. Then can you calculate the pressure of that gas? Calculate the pressure of that gas.
Hi, so yeah, I went to check the light. Can you tell me what I missed?
Pardon?
I went to check the light. Can you tell me what I missed?
You missed that we discussed thermodynamic variable, which is the P, V or T of a system.
Okay.
That is called thermodynamic variable, and thermodynamic state is a particular set of values of variables. Okay. So now my next question is, N is 1, R is 8.314, temperature is 300 Kelvin, which is 27 degrees Celsius. It is also called room temperature, and volume is 1 liter. What is the pressure of the gas? ठीक है, कितना आया प्रेशर?
The 2494.2.
308 is, yeah, कितना है? 2000
494.2.
Yeah, that was.
0.2. ये क्या? What is the unit of this? SI unit. This is SI unit, per meter square. Okay, or Pascal. Okay. You can also write this is 2.4 kilopascal, right? Now, if there is a gas, suppose you imagine a container of 1 liter, okay, containing gas at 300 Kelvin temperature, volume is 1 liter, the pressure is 2.4 kilopascal. Okay, then these values, the PVT values, are this set of values is a thermodynamic state. Okay, If you change any one of them, the thermodynamic state will change. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The next thing is that you have to understand that out of P, V, and T, you need only 2 out of 3. Right? They are not all independent because of this equation. Understood? They are related to each other. So 2 out of 3 are independent. Do you understand the meaning of this statement? Everyone? ये समझ में आया क्या? 2 out of C. You can change pressure. You can अपने मन से you can change, give a pressure value and a volume value. Okay. Then the temperature will come according to this equation. So you can't give all 3 from your side. Okay. You can independently play with any 2. You can change. Suppose, for example, if I want to increase the pressure of this gas, okay, if I want to increase the pressure of this gas, then I can't do it just like that. I either have to change volume or temperature both, right? Understood? For ऐसे लिखा है देखो, PV is equal to nRT. अभी for one set of values, suppose कि volume जब 1 liter है, temperature 300 Kelvin है, okay, then the pressure is 2.4 kilopascal. If you make the volume 2 liter, the pressure will become half, right? Half of 1.4.
Yeah.
Do you understand this? Everyone. So you can't just change any one. You have to change. Matlab, you can put 2 values from your side, but the third value you can't put from your side. You can't change all of these 3 at once. Understood? 2 out of 3 are independent. The third is related. For example, जैसे कि ये example देखो, V is equal to IR. You can take any voltage from your, according to your choice, suppose 20 volt, right? And you can take any current 5, but then resistor has to be fixed. You can't fix all 3 from your side, right? Because there is a relation. Understood?
Yeah.
Same way, because there is a relation, 2 out of these 3 are independent. The third is dependent on the other 2. Understood?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Now, one second, okay? Okay, there's a concept of heat, internal energy, and work. See, we will discuss this heat, internal energy, and work. See, if there is a system, okay, there is a system, there is a container, and there is gas inside. Okay, and what you do is you heat this. Okay, you heat this. Then we say you are supplying heat to the system. Okay, you're supplying heat to the system. Heat is denoted by the symbol Q. Okay, and the convention is heat Q given to system, write this, is positive. Okay, heat given to system is positive. Okay, heat given out by system, given out by system to surrounding is negative. Clear? Okay. Okay. Now next thing is heat ho gaya. Next thing is work. See, if you have a block and then you apply a force, okay, you apply a force and displace the block by amount S, how much work have you done?
Wait, इस टॉपिक का नाम क्या है? The one you're covering right now?
Heat, internal energy and work. Heat, internal energy and work. You can write this ये वाला blue line.
Okay.
Heat absorbed by system is positive and heat lost by the system is considered negative. Pardon?
Nothing so.
When you have written, let me know. Okay. Now, see this. So if you are एक block है, एक block में if you apply a force F and you displace it by a amount S, how much work have you done?
Force times displacement.
Fs. Okay. Now you consider this gas piston. Okay, this gas piston. Okay. Is this gas particles applying force on this wall? Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
Are they pushing this? Are the gas particles pushing this wall?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Why?
Yeah.
because gas exerts force
Gas
in all
exits.
directions.
Gas exits क्या बोलते हैं? You are not using the correct word.
Pressure.
Pressure.
Gas exits pressure.
Yeah.
Okay. And because this piston has an area A, right? The force of gas will be force कितना होगा?
Pressure into area.
Yeah, force is equal to pressure into area. Understood? This is the force. Now, if this piston displaces by a amount delta x, suppose if this piston displaces upwards by delta x, the work done, what is the work done?
W and
Yeah.
Fs.
Force into delta x,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Which is equal to PA delta x, right?
Yeah.
Wait,
No.
what is dV? Wait, what? W equals क्या लिखा है इधर?
ठीक कर रहा हूँ. W is equal to F into delta x, right?
Yeah.
And what is F? F is PA. Pressure into area. So PA delta x. Understood? And what is PA into delta x? देखो, this का area A था cross section and delta x is this delta x. So what is A into delta x?
Volume.
Volume change, right?
Yeah.
What is that?
Delta V.
Okay.
Gas box या gas tank के ऊपर वो जो small area है वो क्या है?
देखो बेटा, एक पिस्टन है, सपोज ये वो पिचकारी होती है ना, होली वाली, है ना, वो ऐसे होती है ना. तो ऐसे समझो, यहाँ पे उसके पिस्टन होता है, राइट, और यहाँ पे एक वो होता है, ठीक है. अब मुझे बताओ कि अगर इफ दिस एरिया ऑफ दिस पिस्टन इज सपोज 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, ओके, okay, and you push it and it went forward by 5 centimeter, okay. Then what is this volume which is pushed is A into delta x, which is 10 centimeter square into 5 centimeter, which is 50 cm cube. ये समझ में आ गया ना? तो ये जो एरिया है, प्रेशर एरिया ऑफ द पिस्टन है, एरिया इनटू डेल्टा एक्स इज डेल्टा वी, द वॉल्यूम चेंज.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so this PA delta X is P delta V. So this is the work done by the gas. What is work done by the gas? It is
Yeah.
P delta V. We should write it not like this. We should write dW, which is the small work done, is P dV. Okay,
Yeah.
dW is P dV. Okay, now if जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में अगर पिस्टन ऊपर जाता है, if पिस्टन ऊपर जाता है तो एक्सपेंशन हुआ है कि कंप्रेशन हुआ है, कंट्रैक्शन हुआ है? गैस का एक्सपेंशन हो गया, कंट्रैक्शन हुआ?
Contract.
ऊपर जा रहा है पिस्टन, ऊपर
Expansion.
In that expansion.
एक्सपेंशन हुआ, राइट? तो फोर्स किस डायरेक्शन में लग रहा है, ऊपर के नीचे?
ऊपर.
ऊपर. और डिस्प्लेसमेंट किस डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है?
Upwards.
Upwards.
वर्क इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव?
Positive.
हाँ, तो वर्क डन इन एक्सपेंशन, देयरफॉर इन एक्सपेंशन लिखो, देयरफॉर इन एक्सपेंशन work done by the gas is positive. Okay,
Okay.
whereas in contraction work done by the gas is negative. You can see it from here as well. If the final volume, expansion मतलब क्या होता है? Final volume Vf is greater than V initial, right? तो डेल्टा V क्या होता है? What is delta V? Delta V is Vf minus Vi, right?
Yeah.
So delta will be positive or negative in expansion?
Positive.
Positive.
P delta V will be positive, therefore work done will be positive. Whereas in contraction, Vf is less than Vi. So Vf minus Vi
Negative.
is negative. So work done by gas is negative. Understood?
Yeah.
ये समझ में आ गया? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Then there is a तो बेटा heat हो गया, work हो गया. There is something also called internal energy, which is very simple.
Right, sir, udhar in the left side of the page, udhar you have written left side of the page mein you've written force of F equals PA. That
Yes, force is PA because pressure is force by area, no?
of F or just force?
वैसे बोलना नहीं, बस फोर्स है, बस फोर्स है, वो फोर्स, force F is equal to P. Okay. Now there is something called internal energy. क्या होता है? इसको बोलते हैं U से, ठीक है? इंटरनल एनर्जी सिंपली इट इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू टेम्परेचर. इट इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ टेम्परेचर. गैस का टेम्परेचर कितना है? ओके. So if temperature is higher, T higher, U is higher. If you decrease temperature, you're decreasing internal energy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm not giving the formula right now. You can write it side note कि U is equal to NCV delta U is NCV delta T. I will explain this later, but still, if you want to have it in your memory, you can write it. I will explain it later. Okay. You can understand this कि if temperature increases, the internal energy increases. Okay. ठीक है, ये तो हो गया. Now the next thing, okay, this is done. Work is explained. This is all is explained. Now we are doing isothermal. Okay, ठीक है. No, first we should do isobaric. ठीक है, isobaric. Now state path function. Okay. See, अब listen how a process works. Okay, process कैसे होता है देखो. Suppose I have a piston and I have a gas. Okay, और piston है ऊपर ऐसे. Okay, I can move this piston ऊपर नीचे. Okay. Now, suppose I have some 2 liter and some some Pascal, 10 Pascal, okay? Now what I'm doing is,
Yeah.
if I move this piston up, what will happen? What am I doing? Moving piston up में what I'm doing?
Upward. Yeah.
Line 4.
क्या नहीं, मतलब वेरिएबल के साथ क्या चेंज कर रहा हूँ फॉर द गैस वेरिएबल्स?
Increasing the volume.
ऐसा कोई तीन वेरिएबल थे ना बेटे, क्या क्या थे?
The volume increases.
हाँ, पहले तो वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज कर रहा हूँ, आई एम इंक्रीजिंग वॉल्यूम,
Decreasing temperature.
ठीक है, वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज कर रहा हूँ। फॉर श्योर क्या कम होना चाहिए?
Decreasing pressure.
Pressure.
Pressure decreases, right?
Yeah.
But in all this, you have assumed that temperature is constant. Otherwise, you're not sure. No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो अगर यहाँ पे P into V, which is 2 liter into 20 है लेफ्ट साइड का प्रोडक्ट, right? PV initially 20 है, और temperature constant. If temperature is constant, then the final product should also be 20, right? If the temperature is not constant, it will not be 20, right? ठीक है, okay.
Yeah. The formula that you've written, dW equals to PdV. The D is delta, right?
D is small work done. D is small, W is work.
Okay.
dx में x is displacement, d is small, the small displacement. Time में dt मतलब time is time, dt में small time. d वो differential है जो छोटा कर देता है उसको.
D volume क्या है?
dv volume, ये v क्या है?
Volume.
dv क्या होगा?
Yeah.
dv क्या होगा?
Small volume.
Small volume, हाँ. Okay. दूसरा, there are some processes, special processes. तो पहला वाला है, you have to write isobaric. Second is isochoric. Third is isothermal. Fourth is adiabatic. ये सब है तुम्हारे सिलेबस में. आइसोबेरिक, कोरिक, पी वी टी, हीट. हाँ ठीक है, देखो आइसोबेरिक में क्या होता है? प्रेशर कांस्टेंट और dp इज 0 और डेल्टा p इज 0. ओके. आइसोकोरिक मतलब वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट, dv ऑब्लिक dp या dp और dp इज और डेल्टा v इज 0. ओके ओके. आइसोथर्मल क्या होगा?
Temperature constant.
टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट, डेल्टा t इज 0. ये समझ में आ रहा है ना? इफ प्रेशर इज कांस्टेंट, व्हाई डेल्टा p इज 0. ठीक है. adiabatic में हीट कांस्टेंट, डेल्टा q इज 0. q हीट के लिए था ना, देयर इज नो हीट एक्सचेंज. ओके. ओके. So we will deal with them one by one. Okay.
Sir, again, sorry to disturb, but आपने पहले in expansion लिखा VF is greater than V of I. What is VF and VI?
V final.
Okay. And
V
initial.
initial.
Okay.
Okay. चलो अभी अच्छा, I'll tell you one thing more. There is something called a PV curve. What is a PV curve? Is that you are plotting the values of P and V as you're trying to change the state of a system. Okay. For example, agar suppose at this point of time the pressure is 10 Pascal and volume is 2 liter, so I will go to 10 volume 2 और यहाँ बना दूंगा 10,2. Understood? If I expand this and suddenly suppose हो जाता है volume 4 liter हो जाता है, and the pressure becomes 5 Pascal, then the point will be here. Do you understand? You understand the points?
Yeah, yes, sir.
This is called a PV curve. Okay, ठीक है?
So can you repeat it?
See this, suppose ये जो सिस्टम था इसमें पहले प्रेशर कितना था ऊपर?
Then
10 Pascal and volume is
2 liter.
2 liters. पूरा यूनिट के साथ बोलो. फाइनली मैंने एक्सपैंड कर दिया, तो सपोज ये हो गया वैल्यू क्या, 5 Pascal and 4 liter. ओके, तो ग्राफ में जब मैं पीवी कर्व में दिखाऊंगा ना, ये पीवी कर्व है, ठीक है? तो 10,2 देखो इधर आएगा, प्रेशर 10 और वॉल्यूम 2, ठीक है? और फाइनली कहां पे जाएगा ये जाएगा प्रेशर 5 और वॉल्यूम 4 पे, तो इधर आ गया. These 2 points are what? They denote thermodynamic states. Okay, this is one state, this is state 2. So system has gone from this state to that state. Okay. Now the next thing is this. Now you have to see this. Let us talk some math. You make a XY curve, okay? XY curve. You make XY curve in your notebook such that XY is always equal to 10 and 10 नहीं 12. Okay. And tell how is this curve looking. ये curve तुमको बनाना है XY axis पे कि XY is equal to 12 और तुम बताओ मुझे कैसे बनता है. How is it looking? जल्दी जल्दी बनाओ, जल्दी जल्दी नोटबुक में. x इक्वल टू 4 पे y इक्वल टू 3 ऐसे डालो वैल्यूज और प्लॉट करते जाओ, बन जाएगा कर्व. और सब लोग, मैं किसी को भी बोलूंगा दिखाने को स्क्रीन पे कैसा कर्व बनाया तुमने. ओपल,
Yeah, sir.
are you facing any problem in making this?
Yes, sort of.
अरे ये बचपन वाला मेथड करो, x y वैल्यूज डालो. थ्री कॉमा 4, 4,3, 6,2, 2,6 करते जाओ ऐसे ही. 12,1, 1,12, 24,0.5, 0.5,24. I'm coming in one moment, okay? Suresh, show your graph. So everyone, show your graphs. Can't see yours clearly, Rupak. Yeah, I can see your Saksham. Thank you. रूपक नहीं दिख रहा है. ठीक है. अच्छा, तुमने डायग्राम स्केल से नहीं बनाया ना? Your x-axis and y-axis are not same scale. That's why the graph is looking very bad. ठीक है. If you make things to scale and then Opal क्या हुआ तुमको?
Sir, even I didn't make it to scale.
ठीक है, जैसे भी है दिखाओ. ठीक है. ओके. देखो, तो सबने सही बनाया, सबने ऐसे बनेगा. ठीक है, ऐसे होता है. ओके. इसको मैथ में ना, इसको मैथ में बोलते हैं हाइपरबोला.
Yeah.
हाइपरबोला. ओके. हाइपरबोलिक कर्व. अब देखो, ध्यान से सोचना, थिंक अबाउट इट. इस पे प्रेशर है, ठीक है, और इस पे वॉल्यूम है. ओके. PV इज इक्वल टू nRT होता है, राइट? फॉर ए गिवन मोल ऑफ गैस, फॉर अ गिवन मोल ऑफ गैस क्या हो जाएगा? N फिक्स हो जाएगा, R फिक्स है. इफ यू फिक्स द टेम्परेचर, ओके, इफ यू फिक्स द टेम्परेचर मतलब क्या, कौन सा प्रोसेस?
Isothermal.
Then the PV curve will look like this. Understood? क्योंकि राइट साइड विल बी ए कांस्टेंट, राइट? देखो जैसे क्या बोला था, एक्स वाई इज अ कांस्टेंट. देखो एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू 12 था ना, इज अ कांस्टेंट राइट साइड. So something on the x-axis, something on the y-axis product is a constant, then it's a hyperbola. So PV equal to constant is a hyperbola. ये पूरा constant. Okay, if temperature is constant, okay, then it's a constant and PV curve is a, लिख लो, ये पूरा लिख लो. If temperature is constant, then PV curve is a hyperbola. Understood?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
ठीक है. अब देखो,
Sir, can you check WhatsApp for a minute? The formula, what did you mean to write?
the delta U is NCV delta T. That one. No, ignore it.
Okay.
I wanted to write delta U is NCV delta T.
Okay. Is it important? Like, should
Not
I?
right now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then the other thing which I want to tell you is, what if you want to suppose you know this, right? dW is P dV, right?
Yeah.
And we know that work done, total work done is integral dW. So it's integral P dV, right?
Yeah.
Now think and tell me, maths thoda bahut, I don't know how much you know math for this, but P was on the y-axis
Yeah.
and y was on the x-axis. Does this look like to you like y integral y dx?
Yeah.
Yes or no? And what is integral y dx? Have you
Y integral D.
y, see, integral y dx is equal, ये इसका नाम है area under the curve. Okay. It is area under the curve. So suppose पहले तो समझते हैं what is isothermal curve looking like. Okay, isothermal curve कैसे दिखता है ये देखते हैं. देखो, see, if this is pressure, this is volume, ठीक है, and there is a piston gas. Okay, यहाँ पे piston है, and what you're doing is you are pulling the piston slowly. Okay, you're pulling the piston slowly, and इसमें gas है. Okay, such that लिख लो इसको पूरा. Pulling piston out slowly such that T is constant. Then this process is called, this process is called
Isothermal.
isothermal. So what is, see, if this is the pressure and volume at this point of time, this pressure and volume, at the next moment the temperature is constant. कहाँ जाएगा ये, किस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, तुमको क्या लगता है? 1 2 3 4 या फिर 5 6 7 8, किस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा? If you're pulling it out slowly, the state will change from in which direction?
6.
6. Okay, let us see why. What is happening to the volume of this?
It's increasing.
Increasing. So if you write this, T is right side fully is constant. If volume is increasing, then pressure must be decreasing, right?
Yeah.
And in which direction? If this, यहाँ से किस region में volume ज़्यादा है और pressure कम है? In this region, right?
Yeah.
This region, right? Volume ज़्यादा है इससे and pressure कम है. Understood?
Yeah.
Again, if you do it, it will go straight नहीं जाएगा. It will follow path like this. Okay, the isothermal curve. Okay, because temperature is constant. Okay, so it will follow a path like this, and it will go there, and then it will go there, and then it will go there, go there. Understood? Now I'll ask you another question. These are the points A, B, C, D, E, F. Opal, you have to put greater than or equal to sign or greater than less than or equal to sign. Okay, pressure at B, pressure at C, volume at B, volume at C, temperature at B, temperature at C. Put greater than, equal to sign or lesser than signs. You are muted.
Oh yeah, pressure at B is greater than pressure at C. Volume at C is greater than volume at B, and temperature is constant, right?
So क्या लिखो यहाँ पे?
Equal to.
Very good, very good. सबको, everyone got it? अब suppose the total state has changed from A to F. Okay, या फिर मैं A कहीं इसको I बोल देता हूँ. Why I? Because initial को I बोलता हूँ मैं और final को F बोलता हूँ. ठीक है? Okay, so it is from I to F. Now you tell me. So yes, you tell me. If PI, PF, VI, VF, TI, TF, जल्दी जल्दी साइन बोलो.
I and F. Okay, wait 1 second. Yeah, so I'm just understanding. Greater than I and F or equal to.
वॉल्यूम है ये. कहाँ पे वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है? यहाँ पे कि यहाँ पे? किसका x
Oh,
एक्सिस?
yeah, greater than.
Greater than नहीं, less than?
Yeah, less than. Okay. And T, I and F.
I ये
Temperature.
point, F ये point है.
Temperature is equal, right?
Yeah. Temperature is equal on anywhere on this line. Okay, ये लिख लो.
Yeah.
Temperature is equal on anywhere, any point on this line. Write this.
Temperature is equal on the full graph, right?
Full इस पूरी लाइन पे सेम है.
Okay, yeah.
ठीक है, अच्छा ये लिख लो.
Which line?
Any point on this line, temperature is
Okay.
same for any point on this line. Talking of temperature, I have another question for you.
So it's a line or curve?
On this, oh sorry, curve. On this curve. So this is a PV curve, and सोच के अपने आप से आंसर बताना मुझे, बट बोलना मत, ठीक है? T1 और T2 में ज्यादा कौन सा है? अपने आप सोचो, एक आंसर लॉजिक बना लो, ये लॉजिक है, दैट्स वाई सर इट इज. बोलना मत, पूछूंगा तब बोलना. दोनों आइसोथर्म है, दोनों आर आइसोथर्मल्स, तो विच इज मोर? ओके, एवरीवन, विच इज मोर, विच टेम्परेचर इज मोर, यहाँ पे साइन डालना है, ठीक है? तो
Okay.
सक्षम तुम बताओ क्या, विच इज मोर?
T2 will be more. T2 will be more.
नहीं, T1 बड़ा है. देखो देखो, अच्छा एक बात बताओ, इस पॉइंट पे
T1 is bigger, yeah.
T1 इज बिगर. देखो क्यों, इस पॉइंट पे मान लो टेम्परेचर T1 है, ठीक है? देखो मैं इसका लॉजिक बताता हूँ क्या है. देखो इस पॉइंट पे टेम्परेचर इज T1, इस पॉइंट पे वॉल्यूम सपोज V1 है और प्रेशर P1 है, तो वी विल राइट P1 V1 इज इक्वल टू NR T1. ठीक है, ठीक है? अच्छा इसी पॉइंट पे आओ, यहाँ पे आओ, ठीक है? यहाँ पे आओ, इसके जो यहाँ पे कट कर रहा है, यहाँ पे प्रेशर तो P1 है, राइट?
Yeah.
वॉल्यूम मान लो V2 है, इज इक्वल टू NR T2. क्या ग्राफ में दिख रहा है कि V2 इज लेस देन V1?
Yeah.
तो T2 भी लेस देन T1 होगा ना, बिकॉज द P1 इज इक्वल.
Yeah.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
इनफैक्ट एनी टेम्परेचर जितना दूर होगा उतना ही ज्यादा टेम्परेचर है, ठीक है? ओके, मैथमेटिकली यू कैन से this works like this. Mathematically this works like this. xy is equal to 12 जो है वो ऐसा होता है, ठीक है? ये बना लेना, ठीक है? xy is equal to 12 and xy is equal to 20 ऐसा होता है, ब्लू लाइन होती है. ओके, if you change, suppose xy is equal to a and then you add a slider to a, you change a, देखो this curve looks like this. Okay, understood? So अच्छा ये भी देख लो, are the red line and the blue line intersecting anywhere? देख लो. No, they, तो यहाँ पे लिख लो two isotherms, these are two isotherms, right? These two isotherms never intersect. Two isotherms never intersect. Okay, this is understood. Now, see, you have to write from here. Okay, you have written already this, and then you have to write from here. You have to write from here. Suppose, पहले समझा देता हूँ. If you are increasing volume from this point to this point, so what is the work done? Do you understand that because dW is PdV, the area under this curve, area integral. I told you, no, integral is area under the curve. The integral is area under the curve. So what is the work done? Right, work done is the area under the curve. Important statement hai. We'll write. Oh, sorry. We'll write this. Work done in a process is area under the PV curve. Okay, and this is not only for isothermal process. This is true for all the processes. Okay, because W is in PdV and total work is integral PdV. So it is true for all the processes. You look for all processes. For all processes. So if I ask you in this process, what is the work done from going from this point initial to final, you will say this area under the PV curve. Understood? ये लिख लो. This is the area under the curve. ये shade कर लेना. लिखना this is the work. Opal, is this work positive or negative? And why? Opal, is this work positive or negative and why? It's fine, whatever you're thinking, tell me. You're muted.
Oh, based on the graph, right?
Huh. If you go from I to F, is this work positive or negative? Refer your notes. See which work is positive, which work is negative.
So it's positive.
Why?
The volume is increasing.
Yes, very good. Little expansion, so it is positive. Okay, volume is increasing. Okay, now, pardon what?
Nothing.
Now you have to write this. जैसे है कॉपी कर लो पूरा ये यहाँ से. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है यहाँ तक. म्यू की जगह n लिखना. ओके, इन प्लेस ऑफ म्यू यू राइट n. डन रिटर्न
No, sir.
जल्दी लिखो. I have to explain this. देखो, see, the P will use PV is equal to nRT होता है. So we'll put P is nRT by V here, and then the integration starts nRT by V dV integration from Vi to Vf. nRT is a constant because temperature is a constant. बाहर आ गया वो integration से. And this is dV by V integration. This is nRT dV by V. What is the integration of 1 by x dx? 1 by x dx का integration हो जाता है ln x. Therefore, इसका integration होगा ln V. Okay, ln V and ln फिर limits हैं Vf to Vi to Vf. It will be ln Vf minus ln Vi. Now there is a property in log that log of A minus log of B is ln of A by B. ये property होती है log की. Okay. Therefore, it is ln of Vf by Vi. Okay. फिर ये लिख लो एक नोट में बना के ये लिख लो log of a number log of x is greater than 0 sorry if x is greater than 1. Okay, log is positive if x is greater than 1 and इसका उल्टा क्या होगा log is ln x is negative if x is less than 1. Okay, लिख लिया ये जल्दी से लिखो footnote. ln x is positive if x is greater than 1. Opal, you are not writing.
So what is that? IF x. ln into x is greater than 0, then?
If x is greater than 1.
Okay, if.
X is greater than 1. And ln x is negative if x is less than 1.
Sir, is ln and log the same thing?
अभी यहाँ पे सेम है. यहाँ पे ln है, ठीक है? There is no log. यहाँ पे ln है. Physics और chemistry में ln होगा, log नहीं होगा.
No, but in chemistry, like we use log. Yeah, in chemistry we did like that.
Chemistry में log है तो ऐसे convert करना है उसको.
Yeah.
But inherently always ln ही आता है, okay? 1 by x dx का integration log x नहीं होता, ln x होता है.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so write this. ये देखो, if ये पढ़ लेते हैं इसको. If Vf is less than Vi, मतलब the final volume is less than initial volume, it is a contraction. तो ln of Vf by Vi. So if Vf is less than Vi, Vf by Vi will be less than 1, right? And log of a number less than 1 is, so ln of Vf by Vi will be negative, because if number is less than 1 then log is negative, so the work done will be negative. Okay, ये लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Thus we get negative value of work. Okay, during the compression of gas at constant temperature the work is done on the gas. ये लिख लो blue में. So in exams, you can have question, okay? Prove that during the compression of gas at constant temperature, the work is done on the gas. You have to derive it fully from the starting and then write this logic. Vigliana, okay. Then we'll move forward and इसी का उल्टा है, यहाँ पे उल्टा लिखा हुआ है तुमको। मैं आई विल सेंड दिस पीडीएफ, यू रीड ऑन योर ओन, ओके। एक चीज और लिखनी है। सी इन अ आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस राइट दिस P1 V1 right is equal to P2 V2 because the temperature is same, okay? So therefore if the work done is nRT log Vf by Vi, it is also equal to nRT ln Pi by Pf. Why? Because from here you can see that V2 by V1 is equal to P1 by P2, okay? This is important. Suyash, are you getting it? What is this written? Pi by Pf ulta?
What do you mean ulta?
देखो Vf by Vi लिखा है, यहाँ Pi by Pf लिखा है.
Yeah.
Because the ulta products are equal. Pi Vi is Pf Vf.
Oh, ulta. Okay, yeah.
The background wall of Opal is very nice. ऐसे ही मुझे चाहिए background में.
Where?
Your background wall, that blue color wall. I think no, it's the other side. You're looking at the wrong side.
This one.
This one.
Those are my blinds.
What?
Those are my blinds.
What is a blind?
The curtains that you roll up.
Oh, those are just blinds.
Yeah.
God.
She got it. Basically.
मेरा blind तो वैसा है, वो blind है मेरा दरवाजे के बगल में.
Oh, the one with the flower.
Yeah, not good, not good. I will change that blind to this color. मुझे लगा दीवार का कलर है, पेंट किया हुआ है. ओके, चलो चाहिए बताओ. कॉमन सेंस लगाओ, ये बताओ. वर्क डन. आइसोकोरिक जाके पढ़ो, क्या था आइसोकोरिक?
Constant volume.
कितना होगा वर्क डन आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस?
0.
Why?
Because delta P is 0.
बहुत प्यारे बच्चे, वेरी गुड. सबको समझ में आया इसने क्या बोला? मैंने से क्या पूछा और इसने क्या आंसर दिया? नहीं समझ में आया? थोड़ा सक्षम समझाओ, प्यार से, आराम से समझाना, ठीक है?
So in isochoric process, the volume is constant. So change in volume, that is delta V, will be equals to 0. So and work done is P delta V. So work done therefore will be 0.
Yeah. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? तो आइसोकोरिक वर्क इज 0, ठीक है। अच्छा, तो ये लिख सकते हैं अपन, यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि वर्क डन एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम इज 0, ओके, W 0 फॉर कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम, ठीक है। एंड वर्क डन एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर क्या होता है? कांस्टेंट प्रेशर सिंपल है, P डेल्टा V था, P dV था, राइट? इफ प्रेशर इज कांस्टेंट you can directly take out pressure and integrate, right? P integration dV. What is P integral dV? What is integral dV? Delta V, right? P delta V. So the work done in isobaric, constant pressure को क्या बोलते हैं? Isobaric, right?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो isobaric process का वर्क होता है simply P delta V. तो दो स्टेटमेंट, W is P delta V for constant pressure. ये पूरा भी लिख लेना. Write this thing also, derivation, and then these two are important statements. Key P work is delta V constant pressure, W 0 for constant volume. ठीक है, अब एक काम करो, ये इलस्ट्रेशन 7 है, इसको अपने आप करो, ठीक है? ओके, आंसर में आई विल गिव यू 2 मिनट्स, ठीक है? इसको अपने आप करो, फिर बात करते हैं।
Illustration 7.
Yes. हेलो, अरे वो एक किताब रखी कंट्रोल सिस्टम्स इंजीनियरिंग की, उसमें क्या रखा है? उसमें क्या है? अच्छा, ठीक है, ओके। नहीं ऐसे, और ऊपर एक रखी है उसमें एल्गोरिदम वाली की, नीली कलर की मोटी सी, उसमें क्या है? कौन सा एल्गोरिदम? तू पढ़ा है क्या उसको? तुझे अच्छी लगी? ठीक है, ओके। हाँ, आज तो नींद नहीं आ रही तो मैं पढ़ूंगा बैठ के। ठीक है, बाय। हेलो,
Yeah.
या ये डिड यू गेट द ए पार्ट एवरीवन? Work done is nRT ln Vf by Vi. पहले वाले केस में इट्स अ कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर, सो ये वाला फॉर्मूला विल बी यूज्ड। इट्स एन आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस। व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n, रूपक?
1.
What is the value of R? बोलते रहो.
8.31. 310. 19/12.
How will you find ln 19/12? Use a calculator. You can't find. Okay. एग्जाम में कैसे करना है वो बाद में बताऊंगा.
Sir, 0.45. No, so the ln 19/12.
ठीक है, ये डालो आंसर. देखो इतना आंसर आ रहा है. ठीक है. ओके. अच्छा, दूसरा भी पढ़ लो. दूसरा क्या है? कीपिंग. ये भी कर लो, ये वाला भी कर लो.
I got -230.
-230 देखते हैं.
I got -608. Yeah.
ठीक है. ठीक है. ओके. अभी are there something is deleted from it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Your voice is breaking. I didn't hear you.
I asked him, are there some things deleted from the portion? Okay. Okay. Now you have to write your homework. Okay. Your homework is in this PDF. In this PDF, you are seeing this. ये देख रहे हो ये definitions. तुमको लिखनी है 16 तक. ओके.
Okay.
ठीक है. और
So you'll send the link for the PDF. Yeah.
So the heat engine and those things are deleted.
और फिर लिखो कि तुमको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट करना है.
क्या स्टार्ट करना है?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस जो है. ठीक है. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 तक, and then you have to do question number 9, question number 11, question number 13, question number 15, question number 16, question number 18, ये हो गए ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. ओके, देन यू हैव टू राइट आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन शॉर्ट में. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10, बस 13, ठीक है, 15, ठीक है. देन आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस हैं ये. ओके, जीरोथ लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ नहीं, फर्स्ट लॉ तभी कहाँ आता है तुमको तो आता ही नहीं है. ओके, वो तो नहीं आता. ये भी नहीं आता. ठीक है, ये सब छोड़ो. ये न्यूमेरिकल्स है लास्ट में. ओके, 1 करना है, बस 1, ठीक है. ओके, दैट्स इट. और तुमको दे देता हूं मैं क्या, द पीडीएफ लिंक. पीडीएफ लिंक इज लाइक दिस. ये रहा. ओके, इधर भी डाल दे रहा हूँ और इसमें ओपल को ऐड कर देता हूँ. Add participant. So there is a group 11th assignment. Okay, Opal. I am adding you to that. तुम सबको ये लिख के उधर अपलोड करना है. ओके, वही व्हाट्सएप पे.
So can you repeat after you started telling numericals? I logged out.
Numericals was the last thing.
Numerical 1.
Numerical 1 was the last thing.
Okay.
ठीक है, जाओ मस्ती करो.
सर,
होमवर्क भी कर लेना. हाँ,
सर
वन थिंग एक चीज बतानी है. बायनोमियल का लेक्चर लेना है, ठीक है. मैं पढ़ा चुका ना वैसे बायनोमियल.
या
कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम का लेक्चर लेना है, कब ले सकता हूँ?
Anytime, I think.
नहीं आया आज रूपक.
Yeah,